book is about sharks, and I have 9 pages, and I wrote tips. And I wrote this book because I love sharks and I love learning about them. I'm leaving just what I like about her story, writing what I like about her story.
I wrote a book about Minecraft. My name is Harvey, and I got all of these really nice reviews off of it of a few people. Minecraft. Survival is page 1, mobs are page 6, encampments are page 10, food is page 15, potions are page 18.
Good illustrations, Daniel. You had very nice handwriting, Jake. I like it because of your pages, your pages are long. Thank you for the descriptive glossary. That's it.
Put it in your 2x2 crafting inventory and make wooden plates. Step 2, get a 3x3 crafting gun.
I'm writing about Pokemon Shield, and I have 21 pages, and I got a lot of compliments.
You'll find it in the nether or the middle of the ocean. The book is about a way to escape. It's about how to escape the escape room. I tell you about the rooms and how to escape them.